Okay, we're going to check the bilge in the sump. I'm just talking to the phone right now. Okay, here we go. We're going to see how the bilge and the sump are doing. The bilge is, the sump is, let's see. The bilge is dry. That's good. And the sump is dry. Let's see if there's a drop hanging from the bottom of the air conditioner's condensate discharge. No. So the condensate discharge is dry. Okay, let's go check about a mash at the other end of the air conditioner's condensate drip pan where it goes into the 3/4 inch PVC pipe. So the bilge is bone dry, the sump is bone dry, and now we get the old Swiss Army knife. Don't leave home without it. Huh, Jay, you got a Swiss Army knife? Here it is. Once you read the instruction manual, Jay, you get to see how to operate the Swiss Army knife with one hand. Okay, here we go. So, the sump area is dry. Let me put the flashlight on that. Okay, so the sump is dry. And my little leak detector there, the old paper towel, is dry. So that's pretty good. So we're happy all that's done. Yeah, there it is. There you can sort of see it there. And then that's a 3/4 inch PVC pipe going down there. That's where I run the 3 lines into the pipe. They come from the air conditioner's condensate drip pan. And there's one on each side and one on the front. Well, they're basically 33 degrees apart. Let's see, 90 times 3 is 270. They're basically 90 degrees apart, the things on the thing there, which puts one with the even with the other one, but it's on the other side. Okay. That's why I wrapped the lines coming from the air conditioner around the thing and into the little collector tube there. We could put all kind of fancy names to these different things. So anyway, that's that. So that looks pretty good. That was on dehumidify mode all night. So now we're going to turn on AC mode for the daytime and let it run and see what we do. We should definitely get some water in the sump. So we're going to change it from, we're going to go from the let's go here, from the dehumidifier mode to the cool mode. I got it set for 74. Okay, when it gets warm in here, that thing will kick on. And it's down there. We took that one out. It's still cooled and everything, but the drip pan was shot, and I said, hell with it. Get rid of it. Plus it weighed 2 tons. Okay, let's see what the Judy is doing. How you doing, sweetheart?
Hi.
Yeah. Okay, Judy said hi. Okay, that's all for now.